Hi, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching and hearing what I have to say about the products that I'm going to be sharing today. And I hope that this video is very helpful to you and the products work tremendously well on you. Alright, let's get started. Today's video is going to be about hair care in regards to hair loss. I'm going to be sharing two different products, one being in the powder form and the second being in a liquid form, which is going to be an oil to help reduce hair fall. Now, the main ingredient in these two products is amla. It's an Indian term for gooseberry. It's a fruit that has so many benefits for your hair and your scalp. The first product is going to be this Amla powder, and I recommend getting the Hesh brand, Hesh brand, because the only ingredient in this powder is the Amla powder. There's no other added ingredients, which makes it the most natural and safest product to use in your hair. Now, before using this product, I would recommend you doing a patch test and waiting 24 hours to see if you have any allergic reaction to it, just to be on the safe side. But other than that, I think it works great. Let me read what it says on the back of the packet. It says, the amla fruit, also known as Indian gooseberry, comes from a small tree that grows throughout India. It is an excellent natural conditioner and nourisher for the hair. Regular use of amla powder may help to strengthen hair roots, which in turn may help to reduce hair fall. So with this powder, you're going to make a hair mask. And to make a hair mask, all you're going to do is take about 5 to 7 tablespoons of the powder and mix it with water until it creates a thick paste. And then afterwards, you are going to take that paste and gently massage it into your scalp. And you really want to give your scalp almost like a head massage, just so that it can really nourish and condition your hair strands down to the hair follicles. You want to leave this powder on for about 30 to 45 minutes before you rinse it out, so that it can really work its magic and get into the hair strands. Now, I did say 5 to 7 tablespoons of the powder, but it's really going to depend on the amount of hair thickness and the length of your hair. So just start off by using a little bit of the powder and a little bit of water, and if you just need more, you can always add more as you go. The second product is going to be this Amla oil, and it's fairly easy to use. You can use it in two ways. The first way, you can do a hot oil treatment, and the second way is just to put the plain oil in your hair without heating it. But I find that if you heat up the oil, it's gonna really stimulate into your scalp and like reach the follicles faster, rather than just putting it on with the regular temperature. For best results, you want to take 10 ml of the hair oil and apply it to your scalp, as well as the midsection and ends of your hair. Make sure that everything is well coated, and you want to leave this in for an hour. If you can leave it in longer, possibly overnight, the better. Just make sure that you wrap your head around with a plastic cap or even a plastic bag, so that the oil doesn't transfer to your pillowcase. And this oil does have a green tint, so it may stain your pillowcase as well. But if you don't have time on your hands, you can leave it in for an hour and your hair will still benefit. Now, after leaving it in for an hour, you want to use a really good shampoo and conditioner. If I were you, I would look for good quality shampoos and conditioners that do not result in hair fall. So like sulfate free, silicone free, etc. To help strengthen and keep your hair strong even after using this. I also wanted to mention that these products can be used together. For the powder, instead of using water, you can mix in 10 mLs of the oil and create the paste and apply it to your hair. That way it saves you time from doing two separate treatments. You want to use these products 2 to 3 times a week for about 4 months to see maximum benefits. And I've been using these products for only a month now, and my hair fall has drastically declined. I am going to insert a picture of how much hair used to fall back in December and how much my hair falls now. Today, I literally have 1 or 2, 3 strands coming out of my hair after I brush it. So I have seen such an improvement using these two products. After using these products for 3 or 4 months, your hair will be stronger, there will be less fallout, and you are going to get new hair growth. So if you use it for a month or two and you see that your hair has stopped falling out, don't stop. Keep going, because it's going to regenerate new hair growth, which in result is going to give you healthier hair. Here's a little backstory about my hair. I've been experiencing hair loss for about 4 years now, and this year has been the worst for me. Growing up, I've always had thick, voluminous hair, and just recently my hair started thinning out. And I've tried everything from biotin pills to hair masks to high-end products, everything, you name it. And nothing really worked for me. Instead, my hair fell out even more. So recently I have come across these two products, and I've been using them for a little over a month now, and my hair fall has declined, I want to say, by 75%, which is a lot. And I'm so happy that I found these products, and it has seriously changed my life. And I want to share these products with those who are struggling with hair loss and have tried everything and just can't get it right. I hope these two products do make a difference in your hair. So I didn't do a demo of how to use these products in my hair, but if you guys would like me to show you, I would be more than happy to. It will be a little messy, but I'm always here to help. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and leave a comment down below if you do decide to try out these treatments. And till next time.